Hey guys, I'm back, and today I am going to pierce my septum. Oh yeah, also if you hear this noise, I'm not farting, okay? That is the chair that I'm sitting on. It's all squeaky and whatnot. I did already pierce my belly button. It did come out a little crooked, but it's okay because, like I said, I can always re-pierce it. And I don't know, I enjoy piercing myself. I enjoy just piercings in general, so it's not like a hassle for me. It's just like an experience that I wanted to upload on YouTube, and maybe if you guys wanted to do it as well, you could do it better than me since you won't actually be filming in a camera. You can actually focus more. I'm gonna use this one right here. This one. You'll need alcohol. It doesn't matter, like I have this one. You'll need a piercing needle. At first, I pierced my septum with a 16 gauge, but I would prefer you guys do it with a 14 gauge because it'll be easier for the ring to slide through the hole. So I changed out the 16 gauge to a 14 gauge, and it definitely was way better. But now what you see is me placing my finger in my nose so I can find that sweet spot. A sweet spot is basically the area in between the cartilage and your membranes of your skin. So if you take your fingers, your pinkies, and you put them at the edge of your nostrils or the edge of your nose, you will feel like very squishy stuff, and that is your cartilage. And if you go back some, then you will feel the membranes. So you want to pierce your septum in between that area, which is called your sweet spot. Don't forget to always clean and sterilize everything before you pierce yourself. Okay guys, piercing time is coming up, and I just wanted to let you know I did pierce most of this off camera because I wanted to make sure it was perfect, and also because it was painful, I'm not gonna lie. You guys, I did it. That is... I'm gonna screw in the ball, but I'm gonna look in the mirror, so this is gonna be off camera. Okay guys, so I screwed on the other ball, and oh my gosh, it looks so freaking cute. Like, it's small like I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be very small and dainty. Look how pretty it is. It's so cute. I can't believe I did that. Like, oh my god, I love it. I love it so freaking much. Like, it's so pretty. I'm just so excited. So beautiful. On the scale of 1 to 10, it hurt like at first, like a 5 when the initial poke went through, but when you just slide it in there, it just like, it kind of like, you don't really feel anything when you just slide it in there, but then when you take it out, you feel something again. If you do pierce your septum, I'm not saying that you guys should pierce your septum or your belly button or any piercing at home at all, but this is just if you do want to pierce yourself, if you do have interest in doing those types of things, in accessorizing your body. I don't do any other type of body modification, if that makes any sense. I just really like piercings, so that's like what I'm interested in. So I would say I'm not telling you guys to do these body modification things like piercings and things like that at home, but I am saying that if you do want to do them at home, then watch my videos because they are very easy and fun. So I finally have a septum piercing. I wonder what my mom's gonna say. I think she's gonna kill me, honestly. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to comment down below. Bye, guys.